If you ever said, I can't cornrow, stop right there. Today's the day that changes everything. Welcome back to the Cornrow Confidence and Healthy Scalp Challenge. Today is day 8. Yay! So today we'll discuss how to make your first cornrow step by step. Are you ready? So the first step in any cornrow is to get that comb on your hair. Comb it thoroughly. So next we want to talk about hand placement. So we want to divide our hair like this. You could also use any part of your finger to cut that front with your pinky or any of your finger. So if you're right-handed, the right hand controls it. If you're left-handed, the left hand is the one doing most of the work. So let's talk about hand placement. We want to divide our hair into 3 sections. So we want to divide it in 3. Now everybody goes to the middle. So the left go to the middle. There's a grip with the middle finger, right? Pick the right goes to the middle. You grip. Put your index finger. Left goes to the middle. Grip. Right goes to the middle. Then you pick hair. Now, when you pick hair, you are picking just little and put your index finger through. So at this point, it's just to keep putting your index finger through. And as you put your index finger through, you grip the cornrow, just continue to form its pattern. So let's see it. Put your index finger through, pick that middle, you grip it down like this. Put your index finger through, clip it down, put your index finger through. So as you pull down, the other hair is entering it, if that makes sense. So there are 3 secrets to cornrow. Number 1 is to pick little hair at a time. So as you are moving through, ensure you pick just little hair that your hand can grip. As you pull your index finger through, ensure you have little hair. Point number 2, do not leave large gaps. So you just put the hair and just little gaps in between. And lastly, let your hand be as close to the scalp as possible. As close to the scalp as possible. So those are the secrets of neat cornrows. As you move along, it might feel awkward. You might have cramp on your hand. I promise you, everyone's first cornrow feels like finger gymnastics. But the more you repeat this pattern, the smoother your hands will move. So keep feeding in small, even sections of hair as you go. So that consistency is what gives your braid that smooth, professional look you're looking for. So as you move closer to the end or the nape of the hair, here are a few things to bear in mind. Sometimes when we get to the end, some beginners tend to drag or pull the base, as you see me do now. They pull the base up. No, don't do that. That would have a painful effect on your client or even when you're making it for yourself. So instead, do the cornrow up to the base of the hair. This will give you that neat look. Okay, so if you're a beginner, don't stress about perfect parts yet. Focus on keeping that tension balanced. See how clean this cornrow is. So now is the time for you to make your cornrow. Practice these steps. Watch day 2 to day 5 to understand tension and how to move your hand very well. When you practice it, send a clip to me. I'll be very glad to see it. Join the challenge because from day 14, we'll be making iconic styles and how to care for your scalp. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, as this helps the algorithm to move it to as many persons as possible. And if you share it to your friends, to also help them as well. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Until I come your way next time, this is the Cornrow Confidence Challenge, and welcome to Asteria Beauty. Bye.